जो इसके जो रडार है, रफाल में जो रडार।
Friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, it's a matter of great honor for me to welcome this august gathering to the formal induction ceremony of Rafale aircraft. Air Force Station Ambala, while it is the oldest station of the Indian Air Force, it would now be home to the newest aircraft of the IAF inventory. We are adding a new chapter in Ambala's and Indian Air Force's glorious history by resurrecting the golden arrows at this base, from where they will have the ability to rapidly access our areas of interest. You all have witnessed Rafale aircraft take to the skies and demonstrate some of its maneuvers and agility. The full range of missions and the capability enhancement that this aircraft brings to the Indian Air Force is far more impressive. What we see today is a result of a decisive action by the government to break the impasse in the MMRCA procurement and the prompt action by the Ministry of Defence to acquire 36 aircraft under IGA between the governments. This induction could not have happened at a more opportune time, considering the security scenario today. On behalf of the IAF, I would like to express our deep gratitude to all those who have made this complex acquisition possible and this historic day for the IAF a reality. 17th Squadron of Air Force, the Golden Arrows, are singularly blessed to be equipped with this platform. This induction has been indeed unique. After a single hop ferry across 8,300 kilometers after finishing their training from France to Ambala, the first 5 aircraft landed on 29th of July. And thereafter, the squadron has been really busy and in an overdrive to operationalize. Within this time, they have already flown and familiarized with our operational environment and have undergone intense integrated training with our other combat fleets, including firing of advanced weapons. So this formal induction ceremony today also marks।
तो एयर चीफ मार्शल RKS भदौरिया इस वक्त संबोधित कर रहे हैं। एक छोटा सा ब्रेक हमें लेना है। ब्रेक के बाद हम एक बार फिर से आपको लिए चलेंगे अम्बाला।